Okay, all slides are shared here. Okay, so this is what we're going to complete today. Visual text, comprehension cloze. So Jaden, this is what we are going to work on, okay, especially the clues and all that. So you just try to give me more of your feedback, which part you understand, which part you don't understand, so that I can help you better. Okay, Jaden? Then we will do synthesis and transformation as well. Okay, so let's start. So visual text here. Okay, this is the visual text which you guys have already attempted, but let's just look at this again. Children's art is happening on the 31st of May 2017. The first class, second class, the fee, the age, the self-reference, whatever that we need. So this will be the visual text. Isia, are you able to view the slide clearly? Isia? Are you able to see the slides clearly? Okay, so I'm going to show the question now. What is this poster promoting? So for any type of question, please circle the keyword. So this one, what is it promoting? Look at the verb. It's promoting, not selling or anything. Promoting, creating awareness, and then use the elimination method. So this will be the 4 options. Can you look back at the slide and tell me what is the answer? Guys, you don't have to type in the chat. Just unmute yourself and tell me what is the answer. That will be faster as well. So for question number 1, this is the slide. What is your answer? Just unmute yourself, okay? And then tell me what do you think is the answer. What is it promoting? What is it trying to tell us that it's having? And then use elimination method. It's definitely not a art supply store. It's not. Is it a book fair? Nope. Not a book fair. Is it a children's art class? Looks like it because you got to prepare. There's a lot of colorings. And TV show about art, no. Okay, so it's definitely the third one, which is C, children's art class. Okay, I need you guys to do the same method for visual text, then you can get full marks all the time. Okay, I'm giving you the clue here, the tip here. So you circle the verb, the keyword from the question, then do the elimination method. This is what I meant by the elimination method. But do you manage to get the answer as C earlier on? Okay. Great, so this is just the first question. Second question, the same thing. This when does the art class start? So when art class start? So let's look at this. Here, isn't it 31st May 2017? So that would be so far, okay? Okay, next one. Where does the children's art class take place? So let's look at where and children's art class. It's pretty obvious right here. Nisun CC. So that would be B. So what you all can do during exams, right? Go and circle where you find all the answers are so that it's easier. Okay, next one. Based on the poster, who can attend the children's art class? Who? Children's art class. So based on this, so who can attend? So basically this one, those between 5 to 12 years old.
7-year-old Isaac.
So who is that? Who's between those age? Question number 4, that will be 7-year-old Isaac. Yes, Emma, you got it because of this part here. Okay, 5 to 12 years old. So Mandy is 4 years old, cannot. 12 years old, cannot. So the only person that falls between the bracket of 5 to 12 years old would be Isaac. Okay, nice. So this is the elimination method that I mentioned. Next question, who is teaching the children's art class? Go back here. Who is teaching the children's art class? Who? Madam Irene Xiao. So that would be C. So far, you guys are okay, right? This is quite straightforward. Okay, the question. So basically it's like who, what, where, when, etc. Okay. Okay, now let's look at the next question. The same thing. Look at this one again. Look at the question. Which of the following does someone need to prepare before joining the class? So what you need to prepare before joining the class? So you look at this. Always circle and underline the keywords like this. Okay. Then you go back. What do you need to prepare? So self is here. So you look at what you need to prepare from here and see.
2B pencils.
So you need to prepare 2B pencils. Yes, based on that. Thank you. Okay, so always do this, circle, underline the keywords, go back to the poster for each question, just like this. Okay, next one. Francis wants to join the children's art class, but he's only free on Thursdays. So he only can come on Thursdays. So he can possibly attend what?
None of the classes.
Yeah, it's mentioned from number 7. Nothing that suits his timing, unfortunately. Okay, yeah, nothing that suits here. So you cannot attend any of these classes. You need to go and find other places. So this one is D. Okay, none of the classes. And the last visual text question. How much does it cost to enroll in the children's art class? So back, cost would be the fee. So it's here.
$6.
Yes, exactly. Spot on. So the answer would be B. Done. Just like that. For visual text questions. Okay, before I continue to the next part, I need you guys to clarify. Is there any question on visual text? Anything you want to clarify? Okay, let me know now. Have you attended such children art classes before? Not really, right? Yeah. So maybe after PSLE, there's some opportunities for you. You can try. Art is quite therapeutic, so you can do that. Okay. Jaden, okay so far with visual text? Okay. So Emma, Jaden, for visual text, were you able to score full marks for exams?
For English exam, I didn't take the paper, but I did oral.
You did oral?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't take the paper. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so but anyways, just use the elimination method and circle the keywords for visual text. Go back to the poster, do the same method that we do so far. You can get full marks. Okay, for visual text. Isaiah, are you okay there? Any questions? You want to clarify anything? You can let me know first. All okay, right? Visual text. Okay, now comes the main lesson, which is the Comprehension Cloze. So everyone, I need you guys to pay careful attention on how to find the answers, the clues, etc. Okay. So out of the 3 things that we need to learn today, visual text is all done. So everything so far so good for visual text, right? Okay, let's continue to the main thing, Comprehension Cloze. So this is the Comprehension Cloze. I need you guys to read this and then type in your answers in the chat for questions 9 to 16 only. Then we will go through the answers together. You have about 5 minutes to type in your answers, 9 till 16. Okay, I think all your answers are done. Okay, what I'm going to do here is we're going to discuss the answers and also where to find the clues for the answers. So I need everyone to really pay attention where to find the clues to the answers. Okay, Emma, Jaden, anything I need you to just clarify for this. We need to make sure that our grammar clues is all clear. Let's do this. Formula One is a type of motorsport. Teams compete in a series of Grand Prix races held in different countries. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. One minute. No. Oh, wait. But how you know it's different? Where's the clue? Guys, what's the clue that is different? Because
Countries around the world.
the world, yes, so many different countries around the world. There's not only one country around the world. So this is a clue. So always do this for your comprehension cloze question. Go and arrow to the clues. Some of the most popular races are held in Monaco, Japan, Italy, and Britain. So what kind of races, most popular races, because they give you these countries. The cars are very wide, reaching a speed of up to 350 kilometers. So this is very fast or very slow?
Very fast.
Yeah, 350. Do you know how fast it is, guys? In Singapore, you can only go up to 90 kilometers. Here is 350. So it's very fast. It's like Fast and Furious. Have you watched that movie, Fast and Furious?
Yes.
You didn't know. Yeah, so it's like, whoa, it's like super fast. Did you anyone of you happen to go and attend the F1 in Singapore? No, because Singapore is the only place in the whole world that has a night race. Singapore is quite cool in that. Okay, so that's why this is fast, reaching a speed of up to 350 kilometers per hour. The championship has been won. Yes, because championship many times by different teams. Teams can consist of as many as 600. Yeah, who all come. They all from different places. They all come from different country. Guys, like one team can come from different country. So they all come in one place. So they all come together because of this. All come together. Every race and use their individual expertise to try to obtain the best result. A what? What do you write? For 15, sorry. Forgot what you write. Championship. What else do you write? Championship. What's your answers? Guys, can just share with me what your answers are. So it's like, you guys imagine people from different countries come together, form a team so that they can get the best result, so that they win it. So when you win something, it's called a victory. Or like what some of you mentioned, championship, that's also fine. Also fine. Victory, or you can say triumph, success. All okay. Winning a race takes a good qualifying position, flawless strategy, or perfect pit stops, and a fast car. Okay, so this would be all in a F1 game, or you need all these things. Okay. Position, strategy, pit stop, car. So all these things, winning a race, and it's in the singular form because of the word race. Okay. All okay so far on questions 9 to 16? Okay, so just remember this. Go and find where the keywords are. Okay, now I need you to try questions 17 to 22. All of you now, can you type back 17 to 22 now? You have about 3 to 4 minutes to type in now. It's here also. I know you're outside, but can you just type in question 17 to 22? You have 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, I think it's here. So type in his answers already. Let's continue. Question number 17. Drivers are what? Huge salaries. So these drivers are paid huge salaries and money to and money to what their lives every time they step into the cockpit of the F1 car. If you're driving at 350 kilometers per hour and everyone is driving at that rate, and you can get hit anytime, right? So their lives are at risk. Okay, to risk their lives. Okay, quite scary actually if you think about it. It's like every time you want to start your race, it's like your car could flip over or something in the arena. So it's quite scary. So like all question number 19, like all types of motorists.